So I think
Yes,
हम लोगों ने ये आज मॉड्यूल 1 फिनिश करना है आज जो हम लोग रह गया
yes,
था
we have to finish the
ब्रांचिंग
git today.
या ब्रांचिंग स्ट्रेटजीज यूज
Mm-hmm.
इन इंडस्ट्री सो
Mm-hmm.
ये इस पे काम करना था हम लोगों ने
Right, right. And
जो
couple of more
लास्ट
things we
सब्जेक्ट है ना
have. Yeah,
आई
couple of
थिंक
more
दिस
things
इज द
we
लास्ट सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द मॉड्यूल 1
correct.
या
And couple of things are more there. So we'll
यस
finish it quickly today. And from the next
ओके
class, we'll start the other link tool. I was about to say that, see, this generally Git comes from the developer perspective. Whenever developer commit any of the code or raise a PR, and if they face any issue, they will come to you for the resolution. So you as a DevOps engineer are to be expected that you should know everything about Git from up to this much that you can resolve any frequently occurring issues. And I'll tell you what are the frequently occurring issues and everything. Okay.
अच्छा आप एग्जांपल आप मुझे दे दो लाइक
Sure, sure.
सपोज
See, I'm a developer. Okay. Now what I did, I coded this one. Now my next task, once I coded this one, okay, let's start from the starting. Being a developer, I'll go over here. I'll go to the GitHub directory. I'll take the project into my local. I'll clone it from here. I'll go to any of my, let's go over here. Git. I'll just delete this one for now. Create another one. Or simply I'll just click over here, CMD, and do git clone. This is from the developer perspective, I'm telling you what developer will do. Now, developer will check what is the branch right now. Not a, you need to go inside this project. Now check in which branch you are currently. Main branch. So by default, you are never expected to work on main branch. Okay, so you should create your own branch first from this one. Suppose dev branch. So I can create a branch using git branch and dev. Okay, I'll check again. Git branch. So I got the dev branch also, but currently I'm in main branch. So I need to switch to this dev branch. So I'll do git checkout dev. Okay, now if I'll check the branch, I'm in dev branch. Now whatever the project is, this one, it's in the, here it is. I'll just delete the previous two. I'll open this, download the VS Code as well, okay? For all the project related tasks and everything. So I'm all here. Now my task is, I'll open any of the page, index.html. Okay. Now whatever changes I'll do over here, it will be on my dev branch. Okay. So once, let's do it. Let's do a change, something. Let's write h1 tag. And I'll give it a name. This is for testing of Git. Okay. I'll save it. The moment I'll save it, you can see this file is got modified. Now, if I'll come to our command line, I'll do git status. See, it is mentioning that you got one file modified, which is index.html. Any confusion?
No.
Now what I will do, right now this file is unstaged. I will stage this file. As a developer, I'm telling you. Developer will do stage this file. So they will do git add dot. Now if I check the status, it's staged now. If you want to
So
remove from
what is
stage,
like a stage?
stage
Stage means.
means it will get under the Git now. Right now, Git has no right whatever you do over here. But once you stage these changes, next time you will do any changes, it will track all those things. So basically, right now it is out of the scope of Git. Whatever you changes you will do, Git won't, Git will never know what changes you have done. But once you've done the stage, it means you are putting this into Git directory, a kind of a Git. Now you go and record everything. Now onwards, whatever I will do with this file, like I will do the commit or I will delete this one, everything will be recorded from here onwards. Okay. You just consider it as a foundation or kind of a base. So right now it was out of the base of Git. Git is the base. So right now it is out of the base. And once you did git add dot, you put it in the Git base, yes, the foundation of the Git. Got it? It's
Mhm.
just like a tracking part. Okay. Now it is being used as for the tracking. Now after that, you need to commit your changes with some message. Added for Git. With this one, you will get a commit ID and the message that you, whatever the changes you have done, a brief message for that those changes. Then it will tell you one file changed and one instruction have been done. Okay.
Mm.
Once it's done, then I'll do git push command, git push hyphen u origin, and which branch we are going to push? Dev branch. Press enter. So see, this dev branch is now pushed. Now if I'll go to my GitHub, I'll just refresh over here. See, a dev has recently pushed 10 seconds ago, and they are asking you to create a pull request. Compare and create a pull request. See whatever the changes. So me as a reviewer, okay, you will be get added as a reviewer or you are the person. Just confirm what changes was there. So okay, first I need to raise the, before raising I'll just see is the changes correct. This was the line we added, remember?
Mhm.
This for the git testing. Just give a small description also. Add a message for I can do over here. This is for test git changes. You can write the description, but it is not necessary to write the description. Create a pull request. So once the pull request get created, your one, it will check for the merge conflict first. No conflict occur. Okay. And now you can merge your code with the main branch. Okay. This branching strategy called Git flow or GitHub flow. Okay.
Mm.
And I'll confirm, see everything, all the changes, whatever you have done. Commit file changes, click on file changes, see all the file changes you have done, in which file what changes has been done. Once it's done, click on merge the pull request, confirm merge. Pull request successfully merged and closed. Now if I'll go to the code and if I go to the commits, I can see this commit has been done. From which? From the dev branch.
Mm.
And this is the commit ID detail and everything has been verified. Understood? This is the whole procedure
Yes.
a developer go through.
Mm.
Okay. In this whole procedure, if a developer face any issue, they will come to you. Now, what are the issues developer could face? Let's deal with those. See, once we're done, now the modified part is gone. I'll run a terminal over here.
तो ये
Mhm.
अब बोल रहे हो जब भी डेवलपर को कोई इश्यू होगा वो डेवऑप्स को आएगा।
Yes. From the Git, whatever the issues
Mhm.
developer will face till pushing the PR or
Mm.
till the PR get merged, they will come to you. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
So what happened? If I see the history, Git log. These are the history. Okay. So recently we did this one. Added message for the Git. This is the current one. This is the change. What change we did? This is the change we did. In which branch we did this change?
In DevOps.
No, which branch we did the change? How many branches do we have? So for that, I'll check Git branch. So we have 2 branch, right? So in which branch we are in?
We are in Dev.
We are in dev branch. Okay.
Yeah,
Now what the
and
developer find, first issue, that this commit message, this change is wrong. And they don't want this change anymore. But they have already committed it, right? They have already committed this change. With the commit message, you can see the commit message. Today's commit message is this. They want this, everything to be deleted along with the change. So they will come and asking you. So this is called, there is a command known as git reset. Okay. And which commit ID you want to delete? This commit ID. I'll copy this one, paste it over here. Okay. And just close your eye, keep your eyes over here and I'll press enter. Now the change has not gone. I'll do git log again and press enter. Okay, why didn't it deleted it? We are in. Okay. So basically what happens in git reset, there are 2 things that we need to mention, soft and hard. There's a soft delete and there's a hard delete. Which delete you want? So if I'll do git reset hard, and I want, right now my head is over here. This is your head right now. So I want my head, you can see the head is pointing to dev. I want my head to come 1 commit down. Okay. So I'll do head 1 commit down. So in this way, head will come to this one. Remember, and this was done on April 16. And this whole will get removed. So I'll press enter over here and see the change is gone, right? And if I'll do git log over here right now, you can see head is now in 16th April and the before one is got deleted.
Okay.
But this is very critical command. Okay. Be always be careful using this one because see all the change that you have done, everything has been gone now. Okay. So that's why sometimes people uses soft, git reset soft. So I'll do one more change over here. H1 categories. Okay. I'll just save it. Remember this line. Okay. This is the change we have done. I'll do get status git add dot get commit hyphen getting new changes done, enter. Now if I do git log, you can see we got another commit ID, which is the change that we just did. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I'm going to do soft delete, reset soft. So see the changes. Git reset -soft head, come back to one commit down. Okay. So what it
So the
does,
head coming one down. So what that means?
it means it will keep your changes there, but it
Hmm.
will remove the commit. In the previous case, what happened? It removed the changes also and commit also.
Hmm.
But in this case, it will keep the changes. It means it will unstage your changes and remove this commit ID and come back to here. Okay, in this way, I won't lose my changes. And meanwhile, I'll also get rid of this commit ID.
Okay.
Okay, let's press enter. Now change is already there.
Hmm.
But if I do git log, see, we move back to April 16. Any questions?
No.
Git reset hard and git reset soft. Clear?
Hmm.
Okay. Now, if I do git status, so since it got unstaged out of the git boundary now. So I can commit this one. Let me just commit it. Hyphen now. This is for testing. Okay. Now if I do git log, so we got another commit ID, which we just done by committing this change.
Hmm.
So we have seen git reset, git reset soft, git reset hard. Okay, what are the other things? There is also known as a git revert. Okay, if I don't,
Okay.
okay, so basically git revert, what it will do, I want my commit ID to be here,
Mhm.
means everything comes over here. So whatever above this commit ID will get removed. I just want this. So all the changes above this commit ID will get removed. So if I do
Okay.
git revert, I guess it's work on the reverting. Let me just test out. I want this commit ID to be revert. Press enter. Yes, revert this. It will just show you that this commit ID is going to be revert. Are you happy? Yes, I'm
Yeah.
happy. Then I'll just keep colon WQ, press enter.
Hmm.
Now see, the commit
Hmm.
has been removed. And if I'll do git log, so your changes were gone. See,
Hmm.
changes gone. But you
Yes.
get another commit ID which is saying that the changes has been removed. See the difference. In case of git revert, sorry, in case of git reset, we were not getting those changes. We were removing the changes and everything. Along with that, commit ID were also getting removed. But in git revert, your commit ID is there. Above all, you get another commit ID which says that you have reverted something and changes are gone. So if you want that the other people to know that you have deleted something, you just do git revert where changes are gone. But if you don't want that the other people know that you have deleted something, do git reset And if you want the changes to be there, but commit ID to be removed, in that case, do the soft reset.
Hard reset
Okay.
for both.
Sorry.
I said
Hard will do
hard
everything. Yeah.
everything. Yeah.
Remove the commit ID along with the remove the changes. Any questions?
And
Okay. So that's all about the deleting the commit ID. Very important thing. Okay. Majority of the questions people ask from this part. Did we see the merge last class?
I think we just go through, but didn't deeply.
Okay.
Like if you change or working on a file and you want to merge to the main branch, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. Merging part. Let's see about that one. So a process that unifies the work done in the two branches. So basically, you have this main branch where you have done
Mm,
some work, but what you created a feature branch from this commit ID. Okay. And you
mm,
did some changes in the main branch also, and you did some changes in the feature branch also.
mm,
At the end, you want all the changes that to be done on feature branch should get merged with main branch. That is what I want. That whatever the changes done on feature branch come to the main branch also. So we'll merge these two branches. That is the merging process. There are some fast forwarding merge also. Okay. But both are same. Command is almost same for them. And advanced merge as well. So not to go too much deep into this one. Okay. Let's understand this merging. So right now git branch. If I have to delete dev branch, what will I do? How do I delete? I'll first come out.
Reset.
Yeah, first come out from this branch first, and then do git branch -d and then dev. Press enter. Error dev is not fully merged. So there might be some changes in the dev that is not merged with main, but still you want to delete it. So in that case, use the capital D. If both branches are independent of each other, then that's totally fine. But if one branch is dependent on other or something has been committed but not merged with the main, then in that case, use capital D. It forces to delete the branch. So dev branch will forcefully get deleted. Now if I'll do git branch, see only main I'm having.
Mm.
But is this main up to dated? Tell me.
Yes.
How? Because see, it is not up to dated. We did some changes in the main branch and we pushed those changes in the we did
Mm,
some changes in the dev branch and we pushed it to the our code and it get merged with the main branch.
mm,
So now main is having, if you see the history, main latest history is this one. Merge the pull request from the dev with the merge messages added, merge for git. And this is the previous one. But if you see the local git log, if I'll do, see what is it is saying? What is the date? 16th of April, right? The
mm,
current one that we merged did not come to your local. Okay, so this main branch is old main. We need to update this one. So for that, we will use git pull. Now it pulled all the new changes that done on the main branch. Okay. What would happen if you didn't do the git pull and you created a new branch from your old main and then you do the some changes and try to push it? It won't get pushed. It will show the merge conflict. Why merge conflict? Because you did not take the latest main. Okay, so always remember, if you want to resolve merge conflict, take the latest main and create your branch from the latest main. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. Some of the things might you feel overburdened or kind of go out of your head, and that's totally okay. Understandable. These are the new things. If I
Yes.
go little fast, please tell me. Okay, that these are the concept. Please go little slow, or I'm not able to understand it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I will because
Mm.
it's kind of new because as I said, like it's like opposite,
Mhm.
networking guy and DevOps or developer is totally different. They don't like each other.
No, no,
But
no, no. I'll disagree
but
with this you because we have this networking class also where we
oh,
learn
okay,
about
yeah,
the TCP, UDP, okay, HTTPS
yes,
and HTTP. Very important networking for the DevOps people.
yeah, for the DevOps people, right?
Yeah.
Yep, of course, because they're working on the layer.
Yes.
Yeah,
So we'll cover that one too. The only thing is that
yeah,
DevOps is, kind of a huge things. You need to have the understanding of your code along with the Git and couple of other tools as well, deep dive tools.
okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I'm watching some more videos,
Mm-hmm.
on the YouTube. So how the GitHub work in the basic coding,
Mm-hmm.
and changing folders as you did it.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to be more familiar with the tools, like a GitHub or
Mm-hmm.
and Git. I'm trying to do it. It's new thing to me, but I'm trying
Mm-hmm.
to do it. It should be okay. I should be understand the terminologies.
Sure, sure. Okay. Let's go ahead. So we got our latest mail. I'll create a diagram side by side. Uh, what was the nah, there was a unique name for MS Paint, but anyway. Uh, I better I'll do it on MS Word.
So do you pay for the Microsoft Word like using 365?
Yeah, organization pays for that one.
Oh, okay, okay, I see.
Mm,
Because here's like 100 something a year.
oh, okay. So what are we going to do? We have this main branch. Okay.
Okay,
So this is our main branch. Text. This is our main branch. Okay.
okay.
From this main branch, we are going to create another branch. So insert shapes. Okay. I'll put it down a little bit. And I'll give the name as feature branch. I'll do one commit in main. Okay, let the message be commit M1 and then here commit M2. And this is what our feature branch. Okay. So I'll do one commit over here, F1. Okay. And in the end, what I will do, I will merge this with this main branch, basically. So in that case, the resultant will be
So you want to merge with the M2 or M1?
F1. Now see, I have this main branch. I created the latest feature branch from this main branch. In this main branch, I'm creating a commit ID, another commit ID M2. M2 is not available in the feature branch. Okay. Now in the end, what I'm doing, I'm adding this or merging this feature branch to the main branch. So main branch would contain all the changes done in F1 in their history, commit history. Or I can create two more. I can do also like this. Create one more. Suppose I'll give it a name F2. Okay. And then I'll add this F2 over here. Okay. So what happens when these two get when feature branch get merged with the main branch, these two F1 and F2 will be available over here too. And F2 in the main branch using merge. Concept is clear?
Okay. So you said the F1 and F2. So
F1 and
what that
F2
means?
are the changes. These are the two commit ID. Any changes could be, but different from the main branch. So the moment I'll do the commit or I'll do the merge, these two changes which were independent of the main branch will get added up in the main branch. Now this might sound confusing, but let's create this diagram over here. Okay, I'll let me just reduce the size.
So in GitHub now you want to do the branch, make a branch 1 and then branch 2 and then.
Correct.
Okay, let's
Only
see.
two branch, not branch 1. We already have main branch. And we'll create another branch. Get branch feature. So now we have two branches. Get branch, feature branch and main branch. Right now we are in main branch. Okay. I'm going to do some changes over here. I'll give the I'm giving the name as M1. Okay, there's the commit ID. And I'll save it. Get status. Get dot get commit -m ni to m. Now tell me, this M1 is in which branch? M1 basically this change is in which branch? Main branch, right? If I switch to feature branch, will this be available there?
If you switch from main to
feature branch, will this M1
mhm.
be there?
Yes, because yes.
How?
So because it's like you are editing in main branch, so it's supposed to be in a feature, right?
Nope.
Or I don't
I'm
know.
doing the editing in Ben branch. Okay, and I created the feature branch before doing the commit, right? Before doing this commit,
Hmm.
I created the feature branch. So,
Okay.
so feature branch doesn't know what changes are being done in M1 after once feature branch got created. So if I'll switch to the feature branch, this will be removed. Why? Because feature branch has no idea. Feature, see, that part is gone.
Okay.
Okay. And if I switch back again to main, this part comes back. If I do git log, I'm having this M1 commit ID. Okay, M1 commit.
Hmm.
Now I'll do one more. H2, M2. Okay. Press Q to exit. Git status. Okay, I didn't save this one. I'll save it. Now I'll do git and dot git commit hyphen m. I'll give the message as M2. Now tell me, M2 will be available in feature branch?
No.
Good. It will not be available because it is being done in the main branch and feature branch was
Yes.
created before M2 or M1 come into the picture. So if I switch to git, check out feature,
Hmm.
see M1, M2 both are gone.
Yes.
Now if I do some changes in F1 feature branch with the name F1, I'll save it. I'll do git status, git commit hyphen m. Okay, I didn't do git add. Okay, now tell me, if I switch back to main branch, will this F1 be there?
If you switch from
Switch back to, right now I'm in feature branch.
hmm. But it should be in the main then.
Right now I'm in feature branch. So will this
Okay.
F1 change? Will this F1 change be
Hmm.
available in the main branch? Basically this part.
No.
Why?
Because I think yes, because it's a main branch. You deleted that one.
No, no, no. Changes I have done in feature branch, no?
Yes.
So how should it be available in the main branch?
Yeah, you're right.
So will it be available or not?
No.
Good. It won't be available. So if I do the
Right.
git checkout, then we'll see M1 and M2 only, not the F1.
Yes.
Correct? Now what I want F1 to be available over here. So I will do merge both the branches. So I'll use git merge feature branch. Now see, there's some conflict in the index.html. Fix the conflict and then resolve it. What is the conflict? So the conflict, it is saying this is the incoming changes. Okay. The conflict, it is saying that your main branch is having M1 and M2, but that M1 and M2 is not available in your feature branch. So either you have these two changes in the feature branch, or you should have this F1 change in the main branch. So basically it says both the branches having different changes. Git is confused that while merging it, should it keep your changes or should it merge the new changes? Git is cannot decide, and that's why it is showing the conflict. So to resolve this conflict, first I need to resolve the merge conflict in the merge editor. You can do it, but it won't do anything. Just don't save it. Mhm. Get merge conflict in the index. Automatically merge failed. Fix merge conflict and then the commit. So what I can do, I'm in main branch. Okay, get main. Sorry, get branch. So whatever the changes you did in the main branch, those changes should be available in your feature branch. And whatever the new changes is available in your feature branch can get merged with the main branch. So basically, feature branch should have all the changes that you did in the main branch. That is M1 and M2. Okay. And that we can do. I'll switch back to first feature branch. Get feature. Okay, you need to resolve the current first index. Don't get resolved either in this way. Da, 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 da. The problem of editor actually. Get status both modified and get your name and email configured. Let me do git log first. So even though the feature branch F1 change got merged with this one, changes. A little mingle happened. Okay, leave it. Let me just check out. please commit your changes or stash them. Okay, whenever if you want to switch to any other branch and you don't want to commit your changes, you can do git stash. So this will keep your changes and let you to switch to other branch. Okay. I'm in feature branch, okay? And the changes, I'll not make it complicated. Changes I'm having git log hyphen one line. Merge pull request. Okay, a lot of things. This is the F1 change, okay? I'll create a new branch from this feature branch. Git checkout -b. A new branch I'm creating with the name of dev. So dev is also having F1 change, right?
Mm.
I'll just undo these changes. A lot of things happen. It'll allow me to get add dot get commit -m. I'll just delete these changes. Get log. I'm going to delete this completely. How will I do it? Get
with the git d.
reset -, hard, and then head comes down to first commit. Okay. Press enter. Now if I do git log -one line. So I'm in the F1 branch back again. I have deleted this whole. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So git what is the branch I'm in?
Mm.
I'm in dev branch.
Yes.
Git checkout feature branch. Why I'm not seeing this F1? I'll better do the things clearly to make you understand. Okay, we are in dev branch. We switch to feature branch, and feature branch is having this control S, compare. Yeah, done. Take it. Okay. Now see, feature branch was having this F1. Okay. And we created new branch, dev branch from the feature. So whatever the things available in feature should also be there in dev branch too. Okay. So far so good. In dev branch, I'm
Yes.
just going to create one more tag, h2 d2. Okay. And save it. I'll give a commit, git add dot git commit in d2. Press enter. And if I do git log one line, it is having d2 also, f1 and d2. In which branch? Dev branch, right? If I switch to feature branch, will D2 be there?
What was your question?
If I switch back to feature branch,
Mm-hmm.
will D2 be there?
So let me see, because you already switched from D to feature. Yes.
Why?
Uh, oh, so I think no, because you created from the D, so there should
Yeah,
be no available.
D2 is created in dev branch now, not in the feature
Yes.
branch. Feature branch
Yeah.
will be having only F1. So if
Yeah.
I
So
switch
if
to,
you make a changes of in dev branch, so there should be available in the F1 and F2,
nope.
but
If I
you
go
are
back to
mm-hmm.
feature branch, get checkout feature, D2 will be gone because D2 is not available there. Got it? D2 was created in dev branch. Now, if I want D2 over here, I will merge my dev branch with this feature branch. So get merge dev branch. And now the moment I'll press enter, D2 will be available over here. See? And if I do git log, you can see head is now merged feature branch and the dev branch together. And the D2 commit ID is available with you. So this is called merge, where you basically merge two different commit IDs, two different branches. But remember, one branch should be having all the changes that were done on the previous branch. So whatever the new changes you will do in the new branch can be merged easily with the previous branch or from the branch from which it was created. It might seem confusing. I will say when I will upload this recording, just see the last part, create two branches, okay, and create the commit IDs and try to merge it. You may get a merge conflict or you may get it merged. In both the cases, you'll be having certain questions. So we'll deal those questions in the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Just try up till
Uh,
here. Try the git reset and everything.
mm,
Reset and reboot. With this, we are almost done with this git. Okay.
okay. So we did like the branching strategies.
Yeah, the one that I showed you initially, that is called GitHub branching strategy. There is
Okay.
another branching strategy which is known as trunk based,
Mm,
where we directly commit to the main branch. Reset we have done. So the another, just remember this one. Whenever someone asks you what branching strategy you do,
mm,
we do that GitHub branching strategy where we create a branch. I'll give you the text and everything of this one. And there's
mm.
another famous one is the trunk based where you directly do all the changes to the main branch. That is not actually preferred. You should never do changes directly in the main branch. But if the project is very small and you are the only one who is doing everything, then in that case, you can do the trunk based. Right. Okay. So I'll quickly walk you through this. See, featuring branch, common branching is featuring branch. Basically, you create a new feature branch for every new features. If one application you want to create and you want to have a new feature, create a feature branch. And in the end, merge it with the main branch. That is called feature branching strategy. Then Git flow branching strategy, where you basically create a new feature branch for every production, integration, or the release kind of a work. Okay, for different work, you will create a different branch. For developer, new branch. For QA, new branch. Then the GitHub flow, which we have just seen. You check out a new branch, and then you push that branch to the origin, which we just did. Short-lived branch, PR get merged to the main and deploy. Most famous one. Okay.
So what's the PR means?
Pull request. Forgot. Whenever you create a new branch or you push that branch to the GitHub, they will ask you to create a pull request. Right. See, merge pull request PR.
Okay, pull request, yeah.
Okay, and GitLab, this need not to know nothing much, because this is based on, if you are using GitLab, then you will say I'm using GitLab branching strategy, but we are using GitHub, so we'll focus with this one. And then we have this trunk based, where you directly check out the main and do the all the commits, everything. Everyone commits to the main. If there are 10 people, all 10 people will commit directly to the main branch. So it is quick, but it contains a lot of issues. If anyone does some mistake and directly commit to the main branch, it will, hamper your code and whole applications. But if you're the only one and you're very sure that my code is almost correct, or it is very correct, then it is very quick in committing. Your CI/CD part is very quick. No need of approval, no need of PR, nothing you required. It will get merged quickly. Understood everything I have mentioned in this document. So I'll share this one with you too. Okay. Everything reset and reset hard, reset soft. Okay. So everything is mentioned over here. Just go through this one. Merging part. Okay. Creating the branch. Reset. Okay. Revert.
So what revert does?
You tell me. Just now I told you. It will create another commit ID for whatever the things you have removed. Okay.
Okay.
Just go through the recording. You will understand it.
Yeah, I will go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm stopping it.